Vishwakarma. He is very excellent in speech and performing. It has been forwarded to Devanshi Rajput. She has a remarkable command over stroke, recitation and pronunciation. Next, it has been handed over to Aditya Parekh. He has been selected to represent at the state level football tournament. Now the next is Urjan Ramani. Urjan is also selected to represent at the state level football tournament. Next is Shivam Kanjani. Nobody can beat him in relocation competition. He has been recognized for his excellent academic role. Yes. Thank you, Sapna ma'am and Ragini ma'am. As the flame is lit today,
should not be only about the books or the marks. The school is for the overall development of the children. A beautiful proverb says, the harder you work, the luckier you get. इसका मतलब जितना आप एफर्ट करोगे उतना आप लकी होगे जीत के लिए. Students, see, this is sports. Not only in sports, in every field, जहाँ पे भी competition है, you know that someone will win, someone will lose. तो कोई तो जीतेगा और कोई हारेगा भी. But the most important thing is your attitude matters. How you are handling that. When you are losing, so you have to handle it with grace. The real victory. छोटे बच्चे यहाँ पे सुन रहे हो आप मुझे? समझने की कोशिश करो. That is why I am speaking in Hindi also. So the best thing which you always have to remember that whenever you are participating, you have to do your best. अपना सबसे जितना अच्छा कर सकते हो उतना अपना अच्छा करना है. Today I want you all to participate properly with full josh and with the sportsmanship. Sportsmanship का मतलब सबको सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशन जो भी आपके टीचर्स आपके कोच आपको बताते हैं ट्रैक पे, दैट यू हैव टू फॉलो प्रॉपरली और उन सब का रिस्पेक्ट करते हुए, बिना किसी को हार्म करे हुए, बिना किसी को डिसरिस्पेक्ट करे हुए, यू हैव टू प्ले योर स्पोर्ट्स. दिस ईयर एज यू ऑल नो वी आर हैविंग 4 हाउसेज. कौन से हाउसेज हैं? 3rd to 8 knows this. फर्स्ट हाउस Tejas. Okay. Second house, Shaurya. Third, what is third? Dhairya. And fourth? Okay, so the new thing which this year you will see that houses will face off each other. एक दूसरे के आमने सामने टक्कर कौन देने वाला है? Houses. So now you have a special purpose. At least house-wise you have to cheer your friends, encourage them to win, because जो house जीतेगा वो क्या होगा? वो best house होगा स्कूल का, and you have to be proud on that. Okay? Thank you very much. Now I want to express my heartfelt appreciation to the teachers, the staff, those who have worked hard beyond this event. Many things we have to arrange. It is not easy every time whenever we are having something in the school. So many people are working beneath it, and that is why I really want to appreciate the efforts of the teachers. Thank you very much for making this happen. But students, again, last thing which I want to request that please be in discipline. So now let us begin this sports day with this energy. Again, can you say yes? Okay, so have a fantastic sports day. Jai Hind. Thank you.
We will take part in the Vidyakut दुनिया हिल जुल जाए। हाथ ऊपर करके बोलो ये खेल ही मन को भाए। दिल की पुकार है यही प्यार है, अब झूम के बोलो तुम। जज्बा अंगार है तैयार है, ललकार के बोलो तुम। चल जो तू और बाजा बजाते तू, मैदान सजाते तू, ये खेल दीवानों का। चल जोश दिखा दे तू और बाजा बजाते तू, मैदान सजाते तू।
वो सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है, हारी बाजी को जीतना जिसे आता है। निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के, धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के। निकलेंगे मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के, धरती डोलेगी ये कदम चूम के। वो सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है। जो
नहीं समझे है वो हमें
तू क्या जाता है, हारी बाजी को जीतना हमें आता है। ये गलियां अपनी ये रास्ते अपने, कौन आएगा अपने आगे। राहों में हमसे टकराएगा जो, हट जाएगा वो घबरा के। यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख ले सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर, पर हमसे पंगा मत लेना मेरी जान। नहीं समझे है वो हमें तो क्या जाता